Hello, welcome back to Transport Fever 2. We're taking a look here at our planks train, which is going just now to the sawmill. I guess that's what it's called, yeah. Where we see that it awaits a huge amount of planks, in fact, too many. So probably the first order of business will be to build a little bit of a cargo station for it. I wish there was something else than these buildings that you could store in. Maybe like an open space to store stuff on. That would be nice because I mean, you wouldn't store planks inside of a large station building, I guess. It seems a bit strange, maybe. But I guess we will do it. And now the planks are stored in this large building. Yeah. Why am I here? Well, we have like a little bit of an unfinished business. As you know, our idea was to kind of make this redundant here, which I think we did already for the most part, except for transporting away the tools here. Is that right? We're not transporting away the tools by rail yet, right? Planks to tools. Yeah, we don't. But the thing is, we did build that to actually bring planks up here to make tools. No, not tools, machines, I guess. This is a machine factory. Not sure what machines it makes. Has a lot of like steel plates here already, which is what we're delivering here already, I guess. Yeah, we're putting steel already here, and that's nice, but we also need planks. So far we have not done that. So let me just do a little bit of an inspection on the road. So right now this is connected only to the northern area here, and then it can go through the tunnel here into this area where it gets the steel from. And then we are connecting that up to, well, technically it can go up here to that. Okay, so the only way over here would be really far away. Like you would have to go all the way over here, then go back down here along Neuss, and then jump over here to go there. So what we really need is kind of a railway connection that goes probably from here to there. And probably that will also prolong later to the chemical plant. And yeah, maybe also to this farm in the future. Right now this farm is delivered by ships, or like it's picked up by ships. So we're kind of putting a railway line along here. But before we do that, I also want to inspect the rails for potential areas where we need to increase capacity. So obviously this tunnel is a bottleneck here. And then on the other side, there's also a little bit of a bottleneck here around this area until we go into the double track part. And then also here, well, here it's technically double tracked already, and here also it's probably fine-ish enough. Yeah, for like low to medium capacity, I think this track looks fine to me. I don't think we need to expand it. Do we double track this area here? Well, we have the chemical plant and the tools factory running along here, and it's quite a long track, so I guess we have to, if we want to be at any point future-proof. So let me just see the right way. So there's some hills. You can see quite a bit of hills that we have to pull ourselves through. Maybe along this northern pass. Alternatively, of course, technically you could have done kind of the southern route, which is definitely less hilly. No, I think we need to go north of the farm here, but we could technically kind of eat our way through towards the coast. I do like that idea, technically, because we anyway want to be like near the coast here, not up here, somewhere in the mountains. Okay, decision made, more or less. We'll go from here, like this area. So that's pretty freaking steep. I mean, it's not unrealistic technically, like you do make these things when you build railways, but I want to be not too crazy in the terraforming. It looks a little bit too unnatural maybe. Okay, now we have to eat our way through that hill. I guess it's fine. So let's see if we can do a nice curvature here. Okay, this we can fix up, I guess. Here we also go through a hill. It's unavoidable, I suppose. So now we want to come along here somewhere. Well, this is a really steep hill. Alright, let's say we want to go. I guess we have to do a little bit of a lead here, like this, so that we have the straight, and then let's try to do a curvature here that reasonably looks good. Yeah. Okay, like this, fine. And then we're trying to go around this area here. Yeah, I mean, this is definitely a little bit steeper curvature, but that's okay. And then we would come kind of in to things over there. Again, crazy terraforming necessary, unfortunately, but again, that's how it is in real life also. Trains do require some more involved infrastructure projects, but it's usually worth it because of the high capacity they offer. Okay, so we're coming in from, well, it doesn't matter, we have to go north basically here. The question is just if we want to do it both directional. Bidirectional, do we want to also go to the right side here? Where is chemicals later on delivered? Chemicals are later on delivered up here. So that would be an extension in this direction also. So for sure, for now, we definitely only need to go towards the northern end here. So then we'll figure out a way to do that. So we're gonna come out here like that. So where did we join that line on? It's the right side. So then here, we also want to go on the right side here. Slowing down a little bit to 108. That's fine though. And then, let's see. Like so, 113 in some areas, that's all fine. None of our trains are yet even remotely going so far, and 103 is like a very respectable speed for a cargo train, I think. There's nothing to be ashamed of there. Construction not possible. I guess I just put the point a bit incorrectly, I guess. So you have to put it like directly on the end. Ah, not possible. Somehow I'm doing something wrong. Let's do a smaller track here. Okay. So that's perfect. So yeah, then we have kind of a area where they can switch over. Like so. That looks okay. This one does not have to be high speed for sure. Then we put some signals. I think we have them on the outside. So right-hand traffic in this game. It's been a little bit of time since I played this because I pre-record usually like a handful of episodes. But in this case, because of some work stuff, I pre-record a bit more. So I think it's been like 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah, I think something like that since I played it. Yeah, right side traffic. I played a little bit of OpenTDD in the meantime, and there, for some reason, I always do left-hand traffic. I don't know why. I live in Germany, so usually we do right-hand traffic. Not sure what inspired me. Maybe it was my Swiss Alps game, because in Switzerland they have left-hand traffic. And in this game, I think there's no strong preference. Same as an OpenTDD. I think in Factorio it has definitely, I think, a preference for doing right-hand traffic also. Okay. I think there's no tool for doing automatic signals here in this game. Like in OpenTDD, you can do this automatically. You can just drag them and just say like, do it automatically. So I think here in this game, that doesn't exist as far as I know. Which would be cool. But I mean, it's not too bad. And this track also, I would say not too bad. I would say that's fine. Alright. So finally we can deliver stuff up here to the machines factory in Rheinfeld. So then let's get a train on the route, and here we can use this station here to purchase it. So we already have like a bunch of trains now. Is there a possibility to hide them if I don't want to purchase them anymore? I guess not. So we usually have these, but does it make sense to use these newer ones? They're shorter, they have a longer lifespan, they are slower, so that is not ideal. I mean, 40 and 50 is not a huge difference for me. What year we're in? 1885 we are. All right. So both of them Prussian. I find it hard to make a decision here, to be honest. One is like a little bit more power, but not enough that it really was worth it. So I think I will just go with this one. Faster speed is fine. And I think the gondolas are what we want for this. I never used the color scheming here. I guess it's an option. That's not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that good? A bit hard to make decisions in this game because I'm not so aware of it. So we can do that. I think there was a way to also create a railway line from directly here. So when I assign here, yeah, there's a new line button, because before I always was confused how to create the lines first. So this connection will be from here to there. Nice. And we can call that the Rheinfeld, what do you call it? Well, it's not from the tools factory actually, that's incorrect anyway. Planks to machines. Right. So it's not from the tool factory actually, it is from here where the planks are delivered at the station. Yeah, from the sawmill. And here I guess we also want to configure that it can use both platforms if it wants to. And the same here probably, where we have 3. Okay, it's kind of stuck because the drop down is open. So what was my thought process here with having 3? Did I have 1 for only pickup, I guess? I'm not sure what my idea was. Let's say 3 is for pickup only then. Maybe. Okay. That sounds reasonable. So if I look at then this one, which maybe we also want to add the little dash here for consistency. How is this one configured? It's configured to go to 2. Well, 2 and 1, let's say. They can switch up wherever they want. I don't care. Alright. And then, like, did we put that train on the route? Yeah, it's coming already to go to the machines factory. I don't know why it goes there first, but that's okay. So then the next one. Okay, this is also nice that it's sorted here. I didn't use that before. So we're gonna transport now machines. What would you transport machines on? Boxcars? Yeah, seems like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, just eyeballing stuff. So this will also be a new line. Okay, now it didn't ask me because I was still in this here. So it's now on the new line, I guess, maybe. Is it? I guess not. Okay, buddy. Which line? Oh, you're on the Brody line. With this. No, buddy. You're gonna go on a new line that goes from here, and we're gonna deliver them to Vellberg. No. Where do we deliver them? To Neuss? Yes, Neuss. Neuss does not have a cargo area. Okay. Okay, buddy. Sorry. Can I tell you, please, to go on the line 1 here. And I know this doesn't have a complete destination yet and whatnot, but this will be the Rheinfeld Neuss machines. You really need to figure out like naming scheme here, but okay, that's fine. So this line, it should go to number 3. Okay, is it stuck? Yeah, because it's incomplete somehow. Okay, crazy. So what do we do with cargo deliveries actually? So there was this way to see cargo. Let me just find it. I think you need to just create like this. Okay, so cargo mostly on the side here. So we want to deliver goods, which we're also not delivering here yet. Don't we produce goods? No, right? No, we don't. Goods are something we wanted to produce later when we have plastic. Okay. All right. Right. So where do we build a cargo station? Still is the question. So I think all the connections are kind of on this side. So all the train connection here. So having a cargo station down here, for example, could work well. Then we transport by road the last remaining bit. I mean, trams could be an option also if it's allowed here in this game. Yeah, cargo area here, or alternatively cargo area over here. Well, okay, let me see how the connection goes. So we want to go from here, so we can go like across here and then along this route, and then we would come into here. I guess that's the easiest. Otherwise we would do the same route that the other one goes, then we would have to cross across this bridge and go back, I guess. I mean, a lot of it speaks for cargo area here, I guess. So let's try for that. So we're gonna try to have a cargo terminus with 2 tracks already. All right. Maybe we can make it shorter. I don't think we will run super long trains here in this game. It's kind of a short map, a small map. So cargo area down here, a little bit away from the buildings, but that's okay. I don't like the angles here that it has. That's the only thing I'm a little bit less crazy about. But it's okay. Maybe we'll redo that street here. Let's do it like this. Okay. So we'll firstly kind of cross over there. And then we'll connect it up with this crazy stuff. I suppose we will redo this building also. Okay, let me figure out how to rotate this. Okay, it's M and N button. Okay, maintenance will also go somewhere down here. It's gonna be like the industrial area of the city, I guess. All right, that's reasonable, like here. So street, we will use the correct size, hopefully. So we'll connect that up like so. And then here we can remove this building. Yes. And we will remove these tracks. Okay, maybe those signals we will redo also. They look a little bit weird. These ones probably are okay. Okay, so then what I want to do is to come out here with some reasonable speed, like 50 is fine. Then kind of go like this. Then let's see if I connect this up here, what would that do? Ah, I forgot also on this new track to do the terraforming inspection. I forgot about that. We'll do that in a second. So this looks fine. The only thing is we need to kind of have a crossing here, kind of with the curve. It's not always so nice. Let's see how it works out. Oh, it works out. No, it doesn't work out. Too much curvature. Okay, actually, no, too much curvature and slope. Okay, what if I did it like on this side, like afterwards? Yeah, so long as it's at least 50, I'm okay with that. Yeah, the only thing is like this cargo area is inaccessible from the top here. Guess that's never been going to be a problem because we deliver stuff not from there. Okay, then this is pretty fine. Then what we need to do is connect up the new thing here. So here we'll make it ourselves fairly easy, I guess. Just come across here. Then let's try to join in here with some reasonableness. Can I make this one a double switch? I can. And then is all directions here covered? Maybe. Alright. Good stuff. Okay. Then the Neuss station here is done. Then what we need is a little bit of last mile transport, otherwise there will not even be any anything coming here. I didn't leave myself a lot of space here, did I? I suppose we can remove that street here and do that a little bit different. So we will try to straighten that out. Like so. And truck station. So you have different options here also. Probably we have two goods, so two stations. Maybe a bit longer one. Yeah, like this. Nice. Pretty nice. Okay. So that's good. Then what we need is like a local truck unloading stop. Okay, and then we want to unload tools somewhere so that it covers everything. There's one building up here in the north which is a little bit harder to cover, but I mean if we unload here it covers basically the whole city. Alright, then that's gonna be it. And this is my depot. Okay, so we can buy here. So was drawn covered or not covered? That's the question. I think equally. Capacity 5. Yeah, we want to definitely use one of those two. Let's say uncovered. Let's put, I don't know, 5. And you have to look at the ratios afterwards a bit. Okay, so a new line that goes from here to there. And this is gonna be the Neuss cargo distribution, and that would be fine. Okay, then lastly we already have the train for it. We should just find it. It's still stuck here, or is it actually went here? It did not actually went here. So where is that train going? That's not the train I was looking for, I think. Where did that machines shipment line train go? Huh? Huh? What? So it is on the steel to machine. Steel to machine. Yeah, I'm just an idiot. Okay, let me just check that again. Neuss machines. Okay, where did you go? Where is that? Here, but on the wrong track. Okay. Okay, buddy. I said 3, but that's okay. I don't know. Maybe they cannot go to 3. Maybe there's something with the tracking here. Can you go to 3 here? I mean, for sure you can. Not sure what they're up to. So then, let's take a look at that again. Manage the line. Yeah, it contains too few stations, I know. Okay. So, another station is going to be cargo station here. Neuss station 3, not Neuss. Okay. Yeah, that does take the right lane. And it goes from 3, so they recognize their mistake. So we're going to rename that cargo station. Yeah, here you can, whatever you want also, just take whichever. And here's 3, okay, fine. Okay, nice. So that's good, right? Let me just double check that route. It goes up north here. That's what we wanted, right? We didn't want to go south. I mean, technically there's nothing against it going south. It's also okay to go north. The only thing is then it has to go through the tunnel. I think they're equally kind of okay for us. But that's the only one that's connected, so they have to go there. Yeah, I see no problem with that, to be honest. That's good. Then as a little treat for ourselves, we will follow it on that delivery, on that initial routing, and see how it goes. Very nice. Yeah, unfortunately we don't deliver anything yet, but next time. Not sure, did I speed it up a bit, maybe? What is the shortcut for speeding it up? I'm not sure. But let's go with 2 times speed. Oh, here, somebody with the old steel. Nice, nice. Ah yes, we actually wanted to inspect the line for making it a little bit flatter in some areas. Maybe we should do that quickly before we stop here. Alright, say be somebody in the tunnel. Can I go up a little bit? No. I don't see anybody. But the signal says stop. There must be a reason for it. Ah, and now we're going again. I guess somebody was inside of the tunnel, I would guess. Alright, so let's get in. The tunnels, unfortunately, are visually, I guess, the least realistic. They're very well lit. Unfortunately, that's like one of the small graphical weirdness about this game, but otherwise, hey, look at this engine room. It looks very nice. I mean, it's not graphical high fidelity, of course, but you're zoomed into a game that's supposed to be played from like 200 meters on top, so it's fine. Oh, we're going south here already. $2 million without that in a free game. Is that a new Steam achievement? Because I think I had like more than 1 million for a long time. Oh, there's somebody coming. Yeah, we can see that the difference between the 2 tracks here is a bit wide. I guess here I was a bit more generous in space, but that's okay. We have to slow down a bit. There's somebody in front of us. So that we don't get stopped out by the signals, maybe. Yeah, also bad signal placement, I guess, because it crosses the road, so you stop on the middle of the road. Not the best. Okay. So here we have to wait a bit because it's a single track here while this train goes across the bridge here. But we can see a lot of steamships here going past. And there's another train on the horizon here, I can see it. Yeah, lots of steamships also. So let's get back in. Yeah, this critical infrastructure like tunnels and bridges to double track them is also a good idea. It's just a question of the cost. I guess right now we can probably afford it. We have pretty good money making capabilities. But when they were originally built here, we wanted to save a little bit of the money. And we're already gonna approach Neuss here, so we're almost there. We're gonna another stop? No. This is double track, we should be totally fine. Then we have the first little bit of new infrastructure in a second when we go off into the cargo area. And there we can already see the signals that are going to the right. All getting signals to go through. This probably brings in the fuel for Vellberg. The new depot here near the river. But we're not going there today. We are going to go for the delivery station. Unfortunately, we don't bring any cargo yet. But soon we shall. So that's done. Nice. So accumulated fortune of 1 million. I mean, we have 6. I mean, in fact, we probably should consider repaying all of our debt. I think it's fine. We don't need it. I guess that was why it was 1 million, because we had 5 million debt and 6 million on the bank. I guess that makes sense. But I'm kind of confident we already had that before, that situation. I'm not sure. Probably not. I think we never had the situation where we could pay down all of our debt. So then the magic tool. All right. Especially this rock here near the track is definitely a little bit sus. Yeah, here we cut down. It's okay. Here also, it's okay. This one, not enough money. All right, now we are. Okay, just a little bit of improvements. But yeah, that was not too bad. That was not too bad. Good, then we'll leave it at this for today. And hopefully this should receive soon some planks. Let me just double check on that for just a second. And indeed, the plank train is on the way with a half full of plate. That's not too bad, but could be more, could be better. Maybe we should, actually, that's a good point, say on this line that they should try to full load if possible. And same here, steel, the machines, yeah, please try to full load. All right, then again, we'll leave it here for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.